This video will demonstrate how to locate and submit the Form 122 annual production. To locate this form, first navigate to Wellstar and log in to your operator credentials. Under the Forms menu, select Online Forms. Using Quick Search, an advanced filter, or by navigating through the online form pages, locate and select Form 122 Annual Production. Form Step 1 will require you to enter which operator you are submitting the form for. The reporting year will default to the previous calendar year. Feel free to enter a brief description to help you locate this form further on. Saving and continue will save this step. Once you save and continue, the organization will be saved to the form. Form Step 2 is operator information. On this step, the form contacts are listed. The first contact will be the person that is submitting the form. The second contact will be the agent for the operator. If additional form contacts are preferred, you can add additional contacts by using Actions, Add Contact. If there is a person associated to the organization the form is being submitted for, selecting this checkbox will allow you to find them in the Find Person dropdown. If there's a person that's not associated to the organization this form is being submitted for, unselecting this checkbox will allow you to assign a contact role, contact name, phone number, and email address. Adding a person outside of your organization in this form as a form contact will not create a user profile for them under your organization. Once the form contacts are set, navigate to the bottom of the page and select Next to move to the next step. Step 3 is monthly data. This step is informational only and displays the known values for the monthly production for the calendar year this form is being submitted for. If there are any corrections to the values portrayed on Step 3 monthly data in the Form 122, you'll need to submit an OG 110 monthly production form to make those corrections. To navigate to the next step, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Next. Step 4 is the annual production step. The fields on this step are pre-populated based on the monthly reported data shown on the previous step. You may edit the fields on Step 4, Annual Production, if you choose. Once you've completed entering or validating the information seen on Step 4, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Next to move to the next step. Step 5 is Document Upload. If you wish to upload documents with your Form 122 Annual Production submission, select Actions, Add New. If you wish to upload a new document into Wellstar, select Upload New, choose a type, enter a relevant date, enter an appropriate description, and browse and select that file from your computer. Once you've selected the files, choose Upload to upload that file to the form. If there are documents already existing in Wellstar, to associate them to the Form 122, select Associate as Existing Wellstar Document. By using the Document ID dropdown, you can search for the document ID or document description. To navigate to the next step, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Next. Step 6 is Form Submit. On this step, you will be able to associate other online forms to your Form 122 annual submission. To associate an online form, select Actions, Add Form, and by searching for either the form ID or form description, you can locate those forms and save them to this form. Comments can also be left on your Form 122 submission. Keep in mind that these comments are discoverable records and will be saved along with your Form 122. When you're ready to submit your form, select the acknowledgement and choose Submit. Do not leave the next page. The yellow warning message at the top indicates that the background process for this form is still underway. Leaving this page may cause an error in the processing. Refresh your browser until the background process message goes away and you receive a confirmation message stating your form has been submitted successfully. At this stage, the form contacts will receive an email stating that the form has been submitted.